Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create and manage manual journal entries in Zoho Books. Whether you are recording depreciation, adjusting balances, or handling unique transactions, this step-by-step guide will help you do it right. So let's dive in. First, log into your Zoho Book account. On the left sidebar, click on Accountant, then select Manual Journals. This section allows you to record financial transactions that don't fit into standard modules like invoices or bills. To create a new journal entry, click the New Journal button on the top right corner. Now, on the New Journal page, select the date of the transaction. Journal number, this is auto-generated, but you can customize it by clicking the gear icon. Add a brief description of the journal entry in the notes. Cash-based journal, check this if the adjustment in a cash-based. In the currency, choose the appropriate currency for the transaction. Now in the account section, select the account to debit or credit. Contact is associate a contact if applicable. Enter the amounts, ensure that total debit equals total credits. Once done, click save as draft, and this option is here. To import multiple journal, go to accountant, then go to manual journals, and then click the more, then select import journals, then choose your file is can be CSV or XLS format. Map the fields accordingly and proceed with the import. This feature is useful for bug entries, especially during data migration. That's how you can enter journal entries in Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe for more tutorials. For more detailed information, check out the official Zoho Books help guide. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.